What makes CA so difficult with having such a low pass percentage? We would be decoding all of that in this video. Along with that, I would be giving you some tips on how you could overcome these difficulty levels. I'm Megha Bansali, Indian Qualified Chartered Accountant and ACCA. First, to begin with, CA is difficult not because the concepts are very hard, because the volume is huge. Okay, so if you look at the content, there is a lot of content to be read for one single examination. Now, how do you overcome that? Is typically by revising. So every time you revise, you realize, okay, I know this, I know this, I know this. So when you keep revising a lot of times, just before the examination, you can effectively within 1.5 days at least do 80 to 90% of the syllabus. So that will make you very, very confident for the examination. The second factor that makes CA very difficult is you need to get 40 marks in each of the subject and you need to get 50% overall in a group. So now when you're writing your CA examination, your strategy should be such that first and foremost, you should target 50 plus in each of your paper, because when you target 50 plus is where you will get around 43, 44, 45 in the paper. So that is one. Second, you should have at least two papers where you are targeting 60 plus, because that's where your aggregate will come from. So let's say you're good at accountancy, you're good at auditing. So these two papers you should target 60 plus. So figure out your two-star papers and target a good 60 plus in these papers. So follow this so that you could match both the passing criteria in your CA examination. And lastly, the hard reality of CA result is it is a demand and a supply based result. So for example, if there are openings only for 1 lakh CAs in the economy, then only 1 lakh chartered accountants will be passing in this particular year. So you need to also make yourself the best. You need to have good technical knowledge. You need to have a lot of concept clarity to pass the examination. Just getting 50 plus, 60 plus will not help you. So it is like a competitive examination where top 100 students are going to be selected or top 200 students are going to be selected. So you have to make yourself better than the others. So now how do you also plan your examination, plan your study? Some basic keys for your CA preparation: you have to be consistent. You need to be very disciplined with your study schedule. You need to revise a lot of times. You need to give in a lot of hours while studying. So that makes CA very, very demanding, and that's why people say CA is very difficult. Honestly, if you're very hardworking, you're very determined, you give in good hours of reading, you will be able to pass your CA examination just like I did in my very first attempt. In case you require any kind of mentoring on how to pass your CA examination, you can reach out to me. Details have been provided. And please do subscribe to my channel. I'll be back with more CA related tips and how to pass the examination. Do like the video, share it with your friends, and do comment below on how you found this video. I'll be back with more such content. Till then, take care. See you all.